Okay, this unit, I believe it's Minuteman more than it is a PowerBoss, but I believe we can get parts for it. This unit has AGM batteries, and so a customer states that it only runs for about perhaps 15-20 minutes, and this is where they bought it from, I believe. It's hard to say. They have their own technicians, I think, but they chose to give us a ring and see if we can handle it. So I have seen these units under the Minuteman, of course, but we're gonna do a deep dive into the actual battery issue to make sure the charger is working as well. This is the next part of the process. After running the machine for a couple minutes, we started at 27.6, and then after 2 minutes it stabilized at about 24.4, which is really a big swing, too much of a swing that I'm used to. And once I did that, I came over and see, I just burned the surface charge off. The battery pack was on charge all this time prior to my arrival. Then we went ahead and put it on the charge. This is the load tester. This is a Schumacher. Went down from around high 13 to about 12. One battery was hovering just around 12. I don't know if that could be an issue, but we're looking at right now maybe a check and charge on these batteries, and I really don't. There is no name brand on these, so these must be exclusive to Minuteman or PowerBoss. So right now we're gonna check the charger. Okay, getting ready to test the charger, and this is the current voltage on the battery pack, which seems to be high enough after the 2 minutes of running. So it's powering on, and we got output. So wherever this peaks at, my findings, I believe there is an issue with the batteries, but they can only be done at a distributor where they discharge the batteries completely down, and then they bring them back up again slowly and watch the progression, and it's the progression that really tells whether or not the batteries are good or bad. So right now I'm up in the 27s, which is pretty high for the AGM batteries. Now, not knowing how many hours are on this, it's hard to say how long the batteries have been in this machine and been used, but now they're noticing the drop off like I noticed. I don't know how much longer I could have went with the machine, but when the users notice there's a lack of runtime, there's got to be an issue. Either it's the charger, batteries, or it's a device causing that. So look at, we're at 27.8. I already started at 27 volts. It went to 24. So I think we really discharged them really excessively. And now it's trying to make up for that right now. So we're almost at 28 volts. So I'm kind of leaning towards batteries. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my quote in, but this is hard to say. I can't get a date code on the machine. I really don't know.